Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Uber account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, you're simply going to go ahead, access your Uber app that you have installed in your mobile phone itself. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on this option called account given below right corner. Now tap on this option called settings just below the family. And now go ahead, scroll down, tap on this option called privacy right there. And if you scroll down to the below, this is where you're going to find this option called account deletion in the section of account security. Go ahead, tap on it. And now it's going to ask for you to what's your phone number or email. You're going to go ahead and enter there your email that your connected account is with, and it will ask for you to the code that we just got from our Uber itself. You're going to go ahead, copy it, and we're going to paste it over here. And now again it will ask for you to enter the code that you got on your email. Go to your inbox and simply go ahead, copy this code, and you're gonna go back to here and simply gonna paste it. Then finally it will unlock this kind of interface. You can see delete your account. You can find this information, and gonna tap on this continue option, and in delete your account you're gonna go ahead, choose a reason for you, and tap on this delete your account, and you will be able to delete your account like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.